Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought it'd be neat to share with you a trick that just uses a regular deck of cards, and if you're ever in kind of a restaurant situation, it's kind of neat to do, okay? So you have your regular deck of cards, well mixed, well shuffled. Have a spectator select any card that they like. Let's say they pick that card right there. They look at it, remember it, don't show you. You take their card, lose it somewhere in the middle of the deck. You have no idea where it is. Give the deck a few cuts and even a nice shuffle, completely losing the location of their card, okay? Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your magic knife and your magic napkin here, and you're just going to, let's say, wrap the deck inside of this napkin so there's no possible way you can see what cards are where, okay? Now, have a spectator take this knife and just go ahead and stab into the deck anywhere that they like. Let's say they stabbed right there, okay? Now they stabbed right in the middle, and if we just rip open these cards from the napkin right here, wherever they stabbed right here at one card. What was the card that the spectator selected? Was it the 9 of clubs? And that's card stab with napkin. Now, before I show you how to do it, please like and subscribe to this video. I really appreciate it. It really helps this channel out. If you're not subscribed, I appreciate it if you would subscribe, and then also hit that little bell notification so you get notified when I do post new tutorial videos. I post about once a week, usually on Wednesdays, so that'll let you know. YouTube will send you out a notification that there is a new video posted. Like I said, like once a week.
Also, check out thebestmagicshop.com, where you can find some awesome new magic tricks, accessories, shirts, bags, and more for yourself or anyone who just likes magic.
Okay, now card stab with knife, okay? For the tutorial, you're gonna just need a regular deck of cards. There's nothing special about this card, this deck. It's just regular deck of cards. A regular knife, I use a plastic knife, you can use a butter knife, a metal knife, and just a napkin that you get, at fast food places, okay? So you have a spectator select any card that they like. Let's say they picked the 9 of clubs, so just use this again. You're gonna need to get their card to the top of the deck, and you can do it any way you want. For what I did, I just said I'm gonna place it somewhere in the middle of the deck, and then I push it about 3/4 of the way in, and then on the last push down with my thumb, and then pushed it in. And what that does is that allows me to get a little bit of a break here on the card. So their card is on the top of this bottom stack here. And then I'll just take half this stack, say we're gonna give the cards a cut, place it on the table, and then the second time I cut right to the break, place these on top of that, and then the third one, I just take this stack and place them on top like that, okay? That's probably the easiest way to get the card to the top of the deck. And then I always say, let's give them a shuffle. And you can shuffle as many times as you like, just keep their card as shuffling last, okay? So their card's on top, and you just shuffle, and then I just hold the top cards, and then finish shuffling those last, okay? So that'll just keep their card on top. Now, you just get the deck and a napkin, okay? Any napkin will do. And then just wrap the deck in the napkin, okay? However you want, like this, okay? Now hold the deck like this, where this is the bottom card right here. So this is facing to my right, okay? So the bottom card's on the right side. This is the top of the deck, so this is the back of the cards. And then just have the spectator just stab anywhere in the deck that they want, okay? And it really doesn't matter. And now, since their card's on top of the deck, what you do is you just, wherever they stab, break open the napkin like that, and then turn the cards over one time, okay? So this is the top card. This is the bottom card of the deck, okay? So the top card's right here in my left hand, and then just immediately, the knife should have been out, then place that card on the table, and then finish cutting the cards like that. So it looks like that's where they cut the cards, okay? This is the top card, and so when you reveal it, that'll be their card. So what you're doing underneath the napkin is you're holding the deck like this, okay? This is facing to my right. This is the top card, the selected card, and then this is wrapped in the napkin. and then they just kind of stab wherever they want. It doesn't matter, okay? Say they stab right there, and then I'll remove the knife. And then when you open it up, you're just doing this and this, okay? So this is the top card. Place that on the table, complete the cut of the cards, and then you can, you know, spread these out if you want. It looks like you're cutting right where they cut the card underneath the napkin, and boom, that's their card, okay? So it's kind of a simple one to do. You just have to get the card to the top. It's a regular deck of cards. Anywhere where you have a butter knife or whatever and a paper napkin, it's pretty easy to do, okay? So that's card stab with napkin, and let me know what you think. I appreciate it, and have fun with it, and until next time.